Since the dawn of our species, we have looked up at the night sky, filled with wonder and loneliness. The stars have always called to us, igniting our imagination and stirring a deep sense of curiosity about what lies beyond our world. Are we alone in this vast universe? Or is there someone or something out there also gazing back? This question has shaped our myths, religions, and science. It has inspired countless generations to seek meaning in the patterns above. We've told stories of gods among the stars, weaving the heavens into our legends and beliefs, and dreamed of other worlds, imagining distant lands where life might flourish. Our curiosity has driven us to build tools to explore the cosmos, pushing the boundaries of what we can see and understand. From naked eyes to telescopes, each discovery revealed a universe more immense than we imagined, expanding our sense of place in the cosmos. We learned our sun is one of billions in our galaxy, a single star among countless others, and our galaxy is one of billions more. The scale is staggering, almost beyond comprehension. We've sent probes to the edge of the solar system, landed rovers on Mars, and reached out with our machines to touch the unknown. We have listened for signals from distant civilizations, hoping for a whisper in the cosmic silence. For decades, we heard only silence. The universe seemed quiet, and the question of our solitude grew heavier. That silence challenged us. Is life rare, or are we not looking the right way? Are we missing something vital in our search? Today, October 11th, 2025, that silence may have been broken. A new chapter in our story could be beginning. We've built a new eye to peer deeper than ever before, reaching farther into the darkness than any generation before us. In seeking the universe's origins, we may have glimpsed our future and perhaps the future of all life. A future where we are no longer alone, where the cosmos is alive with possibilities. A future that will change everything we know about life and ourselves, reshaping our understanding of existence. The journey has just begun. Our quest to find our place in the universe is only starting to unfold. The cosmos is about to answer, and when it does, humanity will never be the same. High above Earth, the James Webb Space Telescope orbits in silence, a marvel of human ingenuity and the most ambitious space observatory ever built. Its journey to this vantage point took decades of planning, engineering, and international collaboration, all to unlock the mysteries of the cosmos. Its golden mirror, made of 18 hexagonal segments, captures the faintest, most ancient light, seeing in infrared to peer through cosmic dust and unveil secrets hidden from ordinary telescopes. This unique vision allows JWST to look further back in time than ever before. JWST's mission is to answer the biggest questions: how galaxies form, where stars and planets come from, and whether other worlds like ours exist. It's a quest to understand our place in the universe and perhaps to find signs of life beyond Earth. Its sensitive instruments can analyze exoplanet atmospheres for chemical fingerprints, potential clues to life, water, or even alien technology. Already it's delivered breathtaking images, stellar nurseries, distant galaxies, and cosmic wonders that have never been seen before, each one expanding our understanding of the universe. But then, it found something unexpected, something that would spark excitement and curiosity across the scientific community. While observing a patch of the Kuiper Belt, a distant region beyond Neptune filled with icy bodies, JWST detected an object. At first it seemed like just another space rock, drifting quietly in the darkness. But JWST noticed details others missed, unusual features, unexpected patterns, something that didn't fit the norm. This object was different, enough to make scientists look again, questioning their assumptions and theories. It was catalogued, but something about it was extraordinary, hinting at a new mystery waiting to be solved. The ordinary was about to become extraordinary, as the data revealed more surprises. The telescope's purpose had shifted, from observer to discoverer, leading humanity into uncharted territory. The world's attention turned to this anomaly, as news spread and experts debated its significance. What had we found at the edge of our solar system? Was it a new type of object, or something even stranger? The answer would challenge everything we thought we knew, forcing us to rethink our understanding of the solar system. JWST had opened a new chapter in the story of space exploration, one filled with promise and wonder. The universe was about to reveal a secret, one that could change our perspective forever. Humanity was ready to listen, united in curiosity and awe at what might come next. The search had just become real, and the adventure was only beginning. The object was named Three-Eye Atlas, a title inspired by the three brilliant reflective spots that gleamed on its enigmatic surface, like eyes watching from the void. These three luminous spots set it apart from anything else ever observed in the outer reaches of our solar system. At first, Atlas appeared to be just another trans-Neptunian object, dark, city-sized, and silently drifting in the frigid, lonely expanse beyond Neptune. But as scientists continued their observations, they began to notice something truly extraordinary, something that defied their expectations. Atlas wasn't tumbling or spinning randomly like most space rocks. Instead, it was pulsing, emitting light in a perfect, unwavering rhythm. The light from its surface dimmed and brightened in a precise, repeating cycle, a cosmic heartbeat echoing through the darkness. Scientists ran countless simulations and double-checked their data, but every natural explanation was ruled out. The pulse was simply too perfect, too consistent, unlike anything produced by known natural processes. It was as if the object itself was alive, or at least behaving in a way that mimicked life. Then, a second anomaly emerged. Atlas's trajectory began to shift, making tiny, deliberate adjustments as if it were navigating. It wasn't just drifting aimlessly, it was steering, changing its path with purpose. A rock with a heartbeat was already strange enough, but a rock that could steer itself was beyond belief. The mystery deepened. Scientists were captivated, their curiosity ignited, and yet, they were also deeply unsettled by what they were witnessing. Atlas was not just a passive object, drifting through the cosmos. It was moving with intent, as if following some unknown directive or purpose. The cosmos had sent us a puzzle, a riddle wrapped in darkness and light, challenging everything we thought we knew. And for humanity, this was only the beginning of the mystery, an invitation to explore the unknown. The pulsing from Atlas wasn't just light, it was a structured signal. Scientists found a repeating sequence embedded in the pulse, a complex pattern, not random noise. The object emitted focused beams of light from its three eyes, sweeping space in a deliberate pattern. This was no natural phenomenon. The signal was a message. A message implies a sender, an intelligence. Every alternative explanation was ruled out. The signal was real, and it was coming from Atlas. The world's best cryptographers searched for patterns, finding layers of information. This was not a simple greeting, it was a library of data. Atlas was transmitting knowledge, but we didn't have the key. The scientific community buzzed with excitement and disbelief. For the first time, we faced evidence of something artificial, broadcasting from our solar system's edge. The implications were staggering. The universe was speaking. As data poured in, the line between machine and organism blurred. Atlas's movements were precise, using unknown propulsion. No engines, no exhaust. Scientists wondered, what if Atlas wasn't a machine, but a living entity? The pulse resembled biological rhythms, like a neural network or a living heart. Atlas responded to its environment, its pulse shifting as it moved through space. Perhaps it was a form of life, silicon-based, metallic, ancient. The evidence pointed to a living being, not just a machine. Its course was changing, moving toward the inner solar system. Discovery mixed with apprehension. Life had found us, and we had no idea what it wanted. Scientists noticed Earth's magnetic field fluctuating in sync with Atlas's movements. The connection was impossible by known physics, yet undeniable. It was as if Atlas and Earth were communicating through magnetism. Atlas interacted with our world in a way both intimate and alien. It possessed a mastery of forces we barely understand. Atlas was not just a traveler, it was an active participant in the cosmic environment. The discovery redefined our understanding of life and intelligence. We were witnessing a new kind of connection, one that spanned the universe. Atlas began shedding fragments, perfect geometric shapes, not debris, but deliberate creations. Probes intercepted a fragment unknown alloys, crystalline organic molecules, a fusion of biology and geology. The fragments emitted faint energy, like seeds carrying life and information. Atlas was sowing the cosmos. Mathematicians cracked part of the signal. Atlas's spin encoded prime numbers, a universal greeting. This was proof of intelligence. Atlas's path took it near Europa and Enceladus, moons that may harbor life. As it passed, organic molecules spiked in the moon's plumes. Atlas wasn't just seeding space, it was nurturing worlds. It was a cosmic gardener. The implications were profound. We were witnessing creation on a galactic scale. The universe was alive with purpose. We sent a message of peace to Atlas and waited. There was no reply, just silence. But then, Atlas's spin paused, then resumed with a subtle change. It had heard us. A search of old archives revealed Atlas had visited before, decades ago, unnoticed. It was not a new visitor, but an ancient one. Its connection to us ran deeper than we imagined. The universe was no longer empty. We had found not a microbe, but an ancient, intelligent being. Atlas communicated through mathematics and magnetism, perhaps even seeding life. The questions multiplied. What is Atlas? What is its purpose? Its journey continues, its mission unknown. Humanity has changed forever. We are no longer alone. The great silence is broken, replaced by a cosmic heartbeat. Our search for answers has only begun. The universe is listening, and now, so are we.